Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by preparing the phone. Make sure battery and updates are current. This avoids interruptions. Next, open Settings and once done, navigate to Display, Screen, or Appearance. Many phones use a single consolidated label. If you prefer speed, use the Settings search bar and type Dark or Appearance. That jumps you straight to the right control. Make sure to keep the phone unlocked and on Wi-Fi if downloads are required. Then tap the Display option to continue. Now toggle Dark Mode or Night Theme to On. This flips system colors immediately. Once toggled, you can choose Automatic Scheduling, pick sunset to sunrise for location-based timing, or set a custom schedule like 9:00 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. Make sure to explore related settings, contrast, text size, and per app theme exceptions. Some apps ignore system themes unless you force them. If you want battery savings, enable dark wallpapers. Finish by checking individual apps and widgets. Open apps like Gmail or Instagram and set their theme to dark if they ignore system settings. Once adjusted, restart any open apps or force quit them so the new theme applies consistently. Make sure to update apps and the OS if themes behave oddly. If dark mode still fails, clear the app cache, reboot the phone, and reinstall the app as a last resort. This usually resolves stubborn theme conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.